Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Play Store keeps stopping problem on all Android and Samsung devices. First, you'll need to go into Settings. From Settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Apps. Then you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right-hand corner. Next, you're going to type in Google, and from here you want to select Play Store, and you're going to tap on Storage, and you want to select Clear Data. After you have selected Clear Data, you're going to tap back. Then you want to ensure that you have granted Google Play Store permissions to your media. So you'll tap on Files and Media and tap on Allow. After you have done that, you're going to go back. Then you're going to search for Play Services. So you'll type in Play again, then select Play Services, and you're going to tap on Storage, then tap on Manage Storage, and you're going to select Clear All Data. After you have done that, you're going to restart your device. Then you're going to go into Play Store, and from there you will be able to update your Play Store, and you realize that the Play Store stops giving you a problem. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.